All right, let's get into it. Today, we're doing a deep dive on a device that's, it's all over the place online, the Lumisculpt Pro.
Mm-hmm. And it comes with some pretty big promises.
Huge. The marketing is all about it being a natural facelifting tool. And the tech behind that claim is a combination of electrical muscle stimulation, or EMS, and also light therapy.
It's that two-in-one approach. So our goal today is really to analyze the source material, look at those marketing claims, see how the thing actually works, and talk about consumer transparency.
Which is so important.
It is. But before we get into the science, we have to give our mandatory note. This is all educational commentary, and it's not medical advice.
Absolutely. So first things first, when you look at the device, the design, it's very premium.
Oh, definitely. It's sleek. It looks professional. It's clearly meant to look like something you'd find in a high-end beauty studio.
It really does. It sets a certain expectation right from the start.
It does. And functionally, the whole idea is that it uses these microcurrents, the EMS part, to tone the muscles in your face.
To firm everything up.
Exactly. To contribute to a more youthful appearance. But here's the really crucial insight from the review we looked at. The device can provide muscle stimulation.
Okay.
And it can provide some temporary skin tightening.
That word temporary, that feels like the key right there.
It's everything.
Because if it's genuinely stimulating the muscle, why isn't the effect considered, permanent, like exercise?
That's a great question, and this is where the analysis is so useful. The device is providing more like muscle re-education. It's a temporary localized toning.
I see.
But what it's explicitly not doing is causing these lasting structural changes deep in the skin. We're not talking about long-term collagen remodeling or anything like that.
So it's not in the same league as the higher energy professional treatments you might get in a clinic?
Precisely. It's a completely different category.
So then what's the deal with the other part, the light therapy? Where does that fit in?
Well, the light therapy is claimed to help with more surface-level concerns, maybe boosting circulation a little or improving texture.
So the heavy lifting for that toning claim is really coming from the EMS.
That's what it seems like, yes. So for you, the best way to think about the Lumisculpt Pro is as a supportive device.
Like a little boost for your current skincare routine?
A boost, exactly. It's not a miracle solution, and it's definitely not a replacement for professional clinical results.
That makes sense. And if the results are temporary and depend on consistent use, then consumer trust and transparency become even more critical.
They do. On that front, the purchasing is all handled directly on their website. The pricing is clear. They offer a money-back guarantee, which is good.
Yeah, that helps build some initial confidence.
It does, but, and this is a really important point on transparency, the sources we looked at noted something about the customer reviews.
Oh.
All of those positive reviews you see are hosted internally on the company's own website.
Ah, so there's limited independent verification of those claims.
Exactly. Very limited, if any. And that's a vital detail for you to consider when you're trying to weigh its actual market success against its marketing.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. What's the final takeaway?
The Lumisculpt Pro seems to be a legitimate beauty tool.
Right, but with a major catch. You have to really manage your expectations about the results being temporary. And you have to understand that the review system is, self-hosted.
That's the perfect summary. Which leaves us with a final thought for you to consider.
Go on.
This device's claims are based on combining two different technologies, EMS and light therapy. So how should you, as a consumer, best evaluate which component is contributing most to the results you're seeing?
That's a tough one.
Is it the toning from the EMS or something else from the light? That balance is something to think about the next time you look at any multifunction wellness device.